Bonjour friends, bonjour, Cynthia here. Well, finally, we are unboxing our YouTube Silver Play button. It came in earlier this week and we decided to have a celebration at our weekly family Chinese dinner. My friends, we had a lovely evening. I wore this cute YouTube themed sweater, and of course hubby decided to wear something interesting again. This time it was this black blazer with gold trimmings on it. But you guys told me to leave him alone with his interesting clothing, and I did just that. So we celebrated with family and friends. We had this delicious cake. Of course, we had Chinese food, and it was a very, very good time. A special thank you to our son Zeev for capturing all of our content. And again, a very special thank you to all of you who are a part of our online community. This is our biggest social media milestone yet, and we are excited to bring you more content about romance, family, community service, frolics. Thanks again, my friends. We are so happy.